Hello my dear friends and welcome to section 3, how to write an order. So as always we access the app, username and password, we just hit enter, and so I'm gonna actually show you how to write an order at the same time that you are displaying the catalog. So if you are in front of a customer, you can write the order at the very same time that you actually are showing him the different color combinations or the different styles. To do that, the first thing we need to do is to select the customer. We will use the icon in the bottom of the right corner, and we will use the third icon from the left, the icon with the, let's say, imitating like a picture of a face or something like this. So I just hit on it, and here I access the entire list of my customers. I can look for them, or I can go to the upper right corner into the searching box and I can enter a keyword that will speed up the process of finding the customer. So let's say in this case I'm going to use the keyword soul, and I'm going to use the first customer as an example, comforts the soul. When I click on it, actually what happens is that now the bar in the very bottom of the screen on the left side, I see the name of the customer. That is telling us that everything that we're going to do now with the app is going to refer or is going to apply to that specific customer. So if we are now with this customer in front of him, showing him the catalog, and perhaps he or she is taking notes on the line sheet, we can just start showing the catalog, and we are going to use, as always, the icons in the bottom of the right corner, the second from the left, the one that looks like a book. So I just hit on it now, and the catalog displays. It's an alphabetical order. So if I go, for example, for the Mola, and I want to display the Mola family, I just go to the first option, the 5030, I just hit. And like always, like I was explaining before, if I scroll right and left, I see all the combinations within the Mola family. But within each specific style, I can hit the C combinations button, and there I can do the same process, and I can scroll right and left, and I can see all the color combinations available. When I'm ready to write the order, let's say the customer already have decided that he wants this specific style, Mola 5030, in this Pietra mix color, is as easy as this. Look at into the upper right corner, add to order. I hit, and the app is asking me, or is giving me different options. Add to order means that we are going to write this stylish color, and also we're going to write the size run. But as you know, most of the times the buyers will give us first the styling colors, and they will give us the size run normally at the end of the order taking process. So what I recommend to you is actually to use the second option, add without assortment. I hit, and then the app is telling me there are not selected orders. You can add the style to an existing order or create a new one. What do you want to do? I would say that most of the times we just want to create a new order, so I would recommend you to use the second option from this menu, make a new order. I hit, and then I get this message that the new line has been successfully added to the order. It's as simple as this. So let's say that this customer wants to add a second color into this particular style. Again, I saw the color combinations by hitting the C combinations button. I scroll until I look for the one I'm looking for. Let's say this Rosella mix, and upper right corner, add to order. Again, add without assortment. Now we're following our presentation in front of the buyer, and perhaps now we want to see, or we're showing another collection. So we go to the catalog, we look for the collection that we are showing, perhaps Stella, and just I hit on the Stella group. So again, if I scroll into the right, I see all the styles within this Stella family. I'm looking for the ND54, so I hit on C combinations, and here I show all the colors available. When I know the color I want to write, in this case wood, upper right corner, add to order, add without assortment. So it's as simple as this, and I can continue for as many styles and as many colors that the buyer wants to order. But let's say for this example that we're done with the order. These are the styles that we want to write. So right now is the time to write the sizing, the delivery dates, and any other comments that we need to write. So we go to the menu into the left side of the screen, and we go to Order Management, Edit Orders, and here is the order we were writing while showing a catalog. You just click on it, in the middle, for example. It displays the order as we were taking it. So what we are going to do is we're going to write the sizing. So I just hit on the sizing color, and I give you a trick. Instead of using these little minus and plus buttons, just hit on the first box, and then the keyboard will display. So you can use actually the keyboard. That is a lot easier. So you can start like 1, next, 1, next, 2, next, 2, next, 1, 1. And I hit OK to confirm the size run. As you see now, I have 8 pairs total with a price of $93.2 and a total of $745.60. If I go to the second style, I go to sizing, and perhaps this customer wants to write the same size run through the entire assortment. So then I do repeat assortment, and I confirm by clicking OK. In the last one, I do the same, sizing, repeat assortment, and let's say that now the buyer has changed his mind. It's not a problem. I just go, let's say that in 39 she or he doesn't want to buy 2 but 3. I just click on the box of the 39 size, I delete the 2, and I write the 3. And as always, I need to confirm by clicking on the OK button. Let's say we need to do any modification to the order. It's quite easy. Let's say we need to eliminate one style. So we scroll into the left in any of the lines, and a delete button will appear. So just by hitting on it, that specific line of the order will disappear. Let's say we need to add more styles. There's not a problem. We can start the process all over again, and we can actually hit the second icon from the left in the bottom of the right corner, the book, to display the catalog, and start all over again. Let's say Wakatawa 5061, and we know already that C1 is in red, so C combinations. We look for the Tibet, and upper right corner, add to order, add without assortment. So we can continue adding styles. So let's get back again to order management, edit orders, and we open the order we have. As you see, now here at the bottom we have the order that we just edited. The next thing we need to do is actually to choose the delivery date. As you see already, the system is giving us the first available date for the different styles. But if we want to change it, we just hit on this dating, and here we can, let's say we want for February 1st. We confirm, okay. February 1st, okay. And the third one, February 1st, okay. If we need to write any comment about the order, there is a comment section. We just hit comment, and here it displays. We click in the box, and here we can write any comment like please send double POP material for display. We hide the keyboard, and as always, we need to confirm the action. Upper right corner, okay. So let's say we're finished with the order. As always, we need the signature either from the customer if he is in front of us, or from you guys. So by signature and with our finger, we sign the order and we confirm upper right corner, okay. So this is as simple as this. So I hope you followed easy and nice the explanations, and you can repeat yourself with no problem. Thank you very much. Goodbye.